Hi friends, welcome to learnsap.com. Today we are going to see about the Qtractor. Qtractor is an open source audio and MIDI sequencer. It is built based on C++ and it uses Qt as its framework. Along with that, it uses ALSA driver for MIDI files and a jack driver for audios. Qtractor is also for audio editing tools and features a multi-track tape recorder, multi-select and point to click and drag and drop interaction, and it also have undo and redo functionalities. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Qtractor on Pop OS. For installing Qtractor, you have to update your repositories in your machine. For updating a repository, you have to give the command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install Qtractor using a command apt-get install Qtractor. After installation, to check, go to activities and then type Qtractor. It shows application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open the Qtractor application. Using the application, we can edit the audio files. This is about Qtractor. I hope this video will get you knowledge about how to install Qtractor on Pop OS. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.